Our world is held together by invisible forces. But what happens if the most important one, our magnetic field, suddenly vanishes? Deep beneath our feet, a swirling ocean of molten iron creates a global shield. It defines our home, but its presence is fragile. This is the magnetosphere, our planetary bodyguard, deflecting deadly solar winds and shielding life from the sun's harsh radiation. Imagine this shield blinking out of existence. The consequences would not be instant, but they would be catastrophic. Without the magnetosphere, high-energy particles would begin to bombard our upper atmosphere, creating strange and unnatural glows. The beautiful northern lights, which rely on the magnetic field to channel particles toward the poles, would fade into history. Satellites would be crippled. GPS, global communications, and weather tracking systems would suffer as solar radiation wreaks havoc on sensitive electronics. The relentless solar wind would begin to physically strip away our atmosphere, layer by layer, over geological time. With no magnetic barrier, harmful UV and X-ray radiation would reach the surface, turning a sunny day into a lethal hazard. The ozone layer would be shattered, leaving us defenseless against the sun's most intense ultraviolet rays. Life on Earth would face unprecedented genetic mutations and health crises as surface radiation levels spike globally. Birds, whales, and sea turtles rely on internal magnetic compasses to navigate. They would become hopelessly lost. Humans would face rising cancer rates and systemic damage to the immune system without the protective buffer of our magnetic field. The modern world is run by electricity. A collapsed magnetic field leaves our grids vulnerable to massive geomagnetic storms. Power grids would overheat and fry across continents, plunging civilization into a permanent worldwide blackout. Every microchip, server, and power station would be at risk. Our digital history could be wiped out in moments. Slowly, the very air we breathe would begin to dissipate into the cold void of space, changing the climate forever. Eventually, Earth would resemble the desolate, airless red planet we know as Mars, a graveyard of a once vibrant world. Extreme temperatures would swing wildly, making the surface uninhabitable for any complex life forms we recognize today. This scenario reminds us of the delicate balance required to sustain life in the vast, hostile vacuum of the universe. The secret to our survival lies deep within the Earth, where a rotating metallic core powers the silent, invisible force protecting every living thing. We are only as safe as our planet's internal engine. Without our magnetic shield, the fragile sanctuary of Earth would be lost to the cosmic winds.